Number 11. Get ahead. It means to progress or be successful.
She works hard to get ahead in her career. She works hard to get ahead in her career. To get ahead, he studies every evening. To get ahead, he studies every evening. They plan to get ahead by saving money. They plan to get ahead by saving money.
Number 12. Get worried. It means to become anxious or concerned.
Don't get worried if I come back late. Don't get worried if I come back late. She gets worried when her kids are sick. She gets worried when her kids are sick. I got worried when he didn't answer the phone. I got worried when he didn't answer the phone.
Number 13. Get a call from. It means to receive a telephone call.
I got a call from my friend in Canada. I got a call from my friend in Canada. She was excited to get a call from the university. She was excited to get a call from the university. He got a call from his boss last night. He got a call from his boss last night.
Number 14. Get ready for. It means to prepare oneself for something.
Get ready for the party at 7 o'clock. Get ready for the party at 7 o'clock. She got ready for her trip to Europe. She got ready for her trip to Europe. The athletes get ready for the competition. The athletes get ready for the competition.
Number 15. Get up. It means to rise from a bed or chair.
I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. I get up at 6 o'clock every morning. She got up and walked to the window. She got up and walked to the window. They always get up when the sun rises. They always get up when the sun rises.